Hey, what's up, man? Today we're doing this a little bit differently. We're doing another video. I know I can't reach out to you, but I'm here. You're here, looking at me through a YouTube video. It's still the same thing, no different from when we meet on FaceTime. Today we're gonna go over subtraction with regrouping. Last week we did addition with regrouping. It's gonna be a warm up, which will take a few minutes. I'm gonna review it. Then I do, which we are going over subtraction with regrouping. Then a we do, where we do the problem together. And then a you do, which is individual practice, where you'll practice problems on your own, and then you have your homework. So that's how the rundown of this class is gonna go, similar to what we do on FaceTime and our virtual visits. Right now you're probably looking at me through YouTube, but yes, I'm in Miami. I'm in a different location, try to switch it up a little bit, and I hope you enjoy your summer vacation. All right, let's get ready to learn. Hey, good morning, Makai. This is our warm up right here. So your homework was addition with regrouping. So these are gonna be 3 problems that you're gonna do. I'll give you about 7 to 10 minutes to solve individually. And then after we finish the warm up, I'll review the first few questions. But before you move on to the second part of the video, pause this video right now and complete these 3 questions. Do not move on until you complete these 3 questions, then we're gonna review it, all right? 7 minutes, ready, begin. Now, we're gonna get part of the warm-up where we review these 3 questions. So, as we spoke about with regrouping, right? If this sum gives you more than 10, right? So 7 plus 5 is 12. The ones place, the 2 goes on the bottom. The tens place, the 1 goes up top, and then you add this 1 plus this 2 plus this 3. That gives you 33. Move it along. 7 plus 6 equals 13. This 3, which is in the 1 place, goes in the bottom. This 1, which is in the 10th place, goes up top. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 5 equals 12. This 2 goes in the bottom. This 1 in the 10th place goes on the top. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 17 plus 15 is 32, which is also written like this. As an equation, 27 plus 36 equals 63. And finally, 75 plus 27 equals 102. If you got all 3 of these correct, shoot, give yourself a round of applause. Good job, good job. Now we're going on to the second part of the video, which is subtraction with regrouping. So as you can see right here, we have 34 minus 19. Now, you see this part right here, right? We got 4 minus 9, which means we're taking away 9 from 4. We cannot take away a bigger number from a small number. This means 4 minus 9. We can't do that. So we have to regroup, which means we borrow 1 from the tens place, right? This 3. So here, we're borrowing 1, so that means we're taking away 1 from 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. That 2 that's remaining goes here. The 1 that we borrowed from the 3 goes over to the ones place, right here. This number makes 14. A lot of kids think that this makes 5 because they're adding 4 plus 1. No, it's not that. We're putting 1 next to 4, which makes 14. We're combining the 2 numbers, not adding them. We're combining the 2 numbers, which makes 14. Now we have 14 minus 9, which we can't do. Now, if you don't know it off the top of the head, I advise you to do sticks or circles. So I'm gonna do 14 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm gonna scratch out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So that goes 5. And then now, not the 3, but the 2 minus the 1. 1, 2 minus 1 leaves me 1. So now, 34 minus 19 equals 15. So, if you have any questions, you can go back to this video, pause it wherever you feel like you don't understand. And this video will always be here as a guidance to you, as a resource, as a help. But I'm also going to give you 7 minutes to copy this down. I need you to copy this down in your notebook. And then all your notes, you're going to send to me when you're finished doing the assignment. All right, you can send it to your mom or you can send it to me, okay? Now we're gonna do, this is the I do portion, all right? You know we do the I do, we do, you do. So this is the I do. Now, next we're going into the we do, but after you copy down your notes, which will probably take 5 to 7 minutes, remember, you copy down exactly how you see it. This here is for you so that when you go back to your notes and you're doing work independently, you have a resource to help you, okay? So now we have the we do, right? Me and you. So now we got 68 minus 39. First question I'm gonna ask you when we start to write, can we take away 9, a bigger number, from 8, a small number? Or in other words, 8 minus 9. As we talked about before, we cannot take a bigger number from a small number or do 8 minus 9. So my next question is, what do we do? I'm gonna give you a second to answer that question. Hopefully you said regroup or borrow from the tens place or the neighbor, right? How much do we borrow? Hopefully you said 1. So we're gonna borrow 1 from 6 or take away 6. Take away 1 from 6 to give to our neighbor 8, right? So we take borrowing 1 from 6. We have 5 remaining, so this is gone, and our 5 is up top. So now, that 1 that we borrowed goes over here, which makes 18 minus 9. Not 9 minus 9, because we're not adding the 1 to the 8, we're combining them together to make 18, all right? So now you would ask, what is 18 minus 9? I know what can help. 18 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then I take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. Now we got one more part. Is it 6 minus 3 or 5 minus 3? Well, I see that this 6 is gone. We crossed it out, we eliminated it. Now we have 5 minus 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I take away 3. 1, 2, 3, which leaves me 2 remaining. So we got 68 minus 39 equals 29, all right? What I would like you to do is to copy this down. I give you 7 minutes, but also most importantly, do not write while you're listening to this video. Listen to the video of the we do, right? Then copy the notes down. The next part is the individual practice. Oh, so we went over the warm up. We did the I do, we did the we do. Now it's you do. So this individual practice, AKA you do. So we have individual practice, 4 questions. You would have 10 to 12 minutes to complete this. 10 to 12 minutes to complete this individually. I will not go over this, right? I'm gonna look at the work that you did and you're gonna send it to your mom and she's gonna send it to me, okay? Okay, so you're gonna do the individual practice, right? 10 to 12 minutes. Then this is gonna be your homework. So you can pause this video and copy this down, okay? And if you have any questions, you can always contact me. Your mother has my number. You can always contact me if you need any help. And I hope this video finds you well, and I hope you are enjoying your summer vacation. I will see you next week. Have a good day.